Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see what are conditional statements, and we will also see what is an if statement in Java, which is also called a conditional statement, and we will see an example how we can implement if statement in Java. So first of all, what is a conditional statement? A conditional statement is a statement which evaluates some condition, whether it's true or false, and based upon this condition, it executes some code. So for example, I'm going to give you an example of if statement, which is also a conditional statement, how it works. So the basic syntax of the conditional statement if is like this. So you write a keyword called if, and then you write these two brackets, and inside these two brackets you evaluate some boolean condition or boolean expression. And if this condition is true, we will execute some code inside these curly braces. Otherwise we will not execute this code if this condition is not true. So for example, I have this integer called x, which is equal to 10, and I want to evaluate this x if it's really equal to 10 or not, and based upon this I want to execute some code or some other statement. So let's implement if statement in here. So we will write if x double equal to 10, then we will execute some code, okay, inside these curly braces. Okay, so first of all, what is this double equal to? Double equal to means this is a comparison operator, okay, which checks equality. Okay, so this double equal to, whenever you write inside your if condition, you are basically checking the equality of these two variables. Okay, so we are checking if x is really equal to 10 or not, and yes, if x is really equal to 10 because we have assigned 10 to x. And if this statement is true, we want to just print out system dot out dot print line. Okay, and we will say that yes, x equal to 10. Okay, so we will run this program and see whether our code is correct or not. So I will just compile this program, and it says yes, x is equal to 10, which means that this condition is true, and which is actually true because the value of x is equal to 10. So here, instead of x, we can replace the value of x, which is 10, and we are checking whether it's equal to 10, which is true. So this condition will be followed, and this statement will be executed. Otherwise nothing will be executed. So for example, we will check if x is equal to 20. This condition is false, right? So we will just run the program once again, and we will see nothing in here because this condition is not true. So this statement will not be executed. In if statement, there is a statement called else statement, which executes when this condition is not true. So whenever we write something like this, else, and inside this bracket, it doesn't compares anything, it just executes some code if this condition is not true. So we can say no, x is not equal to 10. Okay, so, and in Java this is called non-equality operator. So this says that this is not equal to 10. Okay, so whenever we run the program once again, it says no, x is not equal to 10, right? Which is true, because the value of x is 10. 10 is not equal to 20, so this statement is not executed. But else this statement will be executed because the condition is false. Okay, so if the condition is not false, then your program goes to else statement, and this else statement will be executed. Okay, now in Java there are different kind of comparison operators, and we will see what are those. So I will give you what are these all comparison operator in Java. So these are some of the comparison operator we use in Java. First, I've already shown you, whenever you write double equal, it checks the equality, right? And whenever you write this apostrophe, or what symbol, I don't remember the name of this, and equal to, then it checks the non-equality condition. So whenever you write here something like this, this checks, or this says that x is not equal to 20. We are checking that x is not equal to 10 or 20, which is true in this case. Then this statement will be executed, right? Because 10 is not equal to 20, the condition is true, right? So it says yes, x is equal to 10. Okay, so second type is non-equality operator. Third is this angle bracket on the left side, I can say, which checks whether left hand side operator is greater than the left hand side value, right? So if I will write something like this, it will check whether the value of x is greater than 20 or not. Okay, and if this angle bracket has the face on the right hand side, then it will check whether x is less than 20 or not, right? And we can also check two condition, or dual equality and greater than. So this type of operation says or checks whether the value of x, for example, we will check this here, and it checks whether the value of x is greater than or equal to 20, right? And this other last statement checks whether value of x is less than or equal to 20. So these are some of the comparison operators in Java, and this is how you can use if else statement in Java, which is also called a conditional statement, or which is also a kind of conditional statement in Java. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.